Today I'm going to show you how you can design your very own business card using Placeit. So first thing you need to do is head over to Placeit's design templates, and on the drop-down menu you're going to see the business card maker. So click there and you're going to see a wide variety of business card templates, from lawyer templates to catering templates, dentist, real estate, doctor, even another vertical template for lawyer, another real estate template. We have a wide variety. So what I'm going to do today is click on this lawyer business card one to give you an example of how you can design your very own business card. It's super easy. So here's what we're going to do. First thing you need to do on the right hand side is pick a graphic. We have a wide variety of graphics. All of these are related to the template that you choose. So all of these graphics are related to law, to attorneys and law firms. So just click on the graphic that you like and it's going to be automatically replacing the one in the preview. Just like that, super simple. So once that you select one that you're going to go for, like this one, just click on the color on the top and it's going to be changing automatically as well. This is a gold one and you can go for another shade. As you can see, the gradient that makes it look like gold or metal also keeps the color. So you can use one of the colors in the grid, or you can click on more and you're going to be able to paste a hex code or use a color picker to select a specific shade. So I'm going to go actually for the gold. I really like how it looks. But what I'm going to do is change the background, which is another thing you can customize for your very own business card. Right now it has a white background, but I'm going to go for a dark gray, like this one, maybe a little bit lighter. And again, you can use the color picker to select the right shade that you're going for. So just move it around, then click on choose, and that's it. Maybe a little bit lighter. There we go. And then you can choose a texture, which is also very good to give it a little bit of a feeling, you know, like a little bit more texture to make it look a little bit realistic. Just click on the one that you like. Again, it's going to be automatically reflected onto the template. Super, super easy. That's it. Then once that it reflects, that's how it's going to be. And actually, I'm going to change my mind and I'm going to change the color over here for a dark one. Then on the left hand side you have more options for the frame. You can choose other frames like this one's. Again, super easy, just click on it and it's going to be automatically reflected. That's it, that's all you need to do. And then on the top left hand side you can change the text. You have your text fields over here. Just click on your text and it's going to be automatically changed. You can also select a different font to match your firm or your business. And that's it. It's super, super easy. And as you can see, the fonts that the template already has pre-selected are all related to the theme, you know? All of these are very, very like simple, straightforward fonts. All of these are related to law firms, so you can lay back on these, select them. You don't have to go around the web like looking for fonts. Just choose one of these and you're going to be confident that these are the right set of fonts for you to use. So it's super, super easy. And that's it. Very simple. Then you can either deselect a firm or have it shown however you want to. All of these text fields are customizable. Like you can choose not to have like a website if you don't, and the rest of the template is going to adequate to that. So it's really cool. And that's it. That's all you need to do to design your professional business card. So on the bottom side, you're going to have more options. Like for example, this one. This is another template for a business card. This is for a hairstylist. So this is a template with a lot of different graphics and fonts, as you can see, because it's a whole different template, a whole different vibe. So just choose a background that you like, choose a graphic, same thing, and go ahead and play with the text, play with the frames, same thing, you know? change the color of your icon, customize it the way you want, choose to have an address or not. And as you can see, your text is gonna go and customize according to your arrangement. And that's it. That's all you need to do. Then just click on download, and for $8, you're gonna be able to download your very own business card. Super, super simple. And if you want to see another one completely different, we have the dental business card maker over here, which of course has dental graphics and logos over here. So you can have little tooth, more medical related graphics, and even the backgrounds are a little bit different. And you can also play with the different text fields over here. You can customize them. Again, choose to disable or enable as many fields as you want. And that's it. You have your very own business card again in a matter of seconds. So go ahead and play with the business cards available at Placeit. It's super easy, as you can see. We have a lot of templates. We will be adding more. And let us know in the comments if you have any questions about our business card templates, if you have any suggestions about one that we should be adding, and I'll be glad to hear from you. Thank you.